Hey y'all, and Merry Christmas. Well, not yet, but almost. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to y'all about something that you might be purchasing for someone, or if you get this for Christmas, you know all about it. So I'm talking today about this gun massager. I bought this in May of 2020, so I got a good bit of experience on using this quite a few times, and my back thanks me. But I wanted to talk to you about a couple of cons and a couple of good things about it. But first and foremost, this is the P3 Pro. That's what it says on the gun itself. And it's in the color blue and black. Now, I bought mine from Amazon. I'm gonna move my computer over so I can read to you what the Amazon link says. It says, massage gun, deep tissue percussion muscle massager for pain relief. Handheld electric body massager, sports drill, portable, super quiet, brushless motor, 20 speeds. It's got 20 speeds, and it says it on the other side right here in this area. Percussion massage, Feek P3 Pro. So this is by the name brand F-E-E-K-E, Feek. I think I'm saying that right. Okay, so when you get this in the mail, it's going to come in a case like this. And it's pretty, like a heavy duty case. In the inside of the case, you're gonna find the gun. Obviously, I took the gun out already. You're gonna see a whole bunch of explanation of the product itself, the little warranty, and then the user manual. And inside are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the one I have. So 6 in total, 6 of the attachments. Now, what I wanna talk to you about first is, I'm gonna show you all the attachments first. So here's one, and this one is kind of like the top of it is rubber, and so it's pretty soft on the back when you go to massage your back with it. There's this one, and the whole thing is plastic, and it just looks like a bullet kind of. I'm not even sure why you would use this, because that seems like that would be hard. They also have this one, which is like a flat top. So I'm guessing when you're massaging, I guess if you wanted to be like a sleek surface type of attachment, you would use this. Let's see. So there's 2 different types of balls in here. This one is small, and it's foam, so it's not so hard like the other plastic ones. And then they have this size. So like I said, there's 2 different sizes, and I'll hold them up next to each other so you could see. And then besides that, they have this one. This is just a hard plastic type of attachment. All right, so besides the attachments, let's talk about the gun itself. So one con I would have to say about the gun itself is that it's pretty damn heavy. You have to think about, if you don't have someone actually massaging you with the gun, if you don't have somebody actually doing it for you, this is pretty heavy, and it can get tiresome after doing it for quite a while. My main issues are my shoulder blades, so I kind of have a hard time reaching the area that I need. And with it being so bottom heavy, because it's not, the top is not heavy, it's this area, which is probably where the motor is. It's heavy, so once you're in this position for such a long time, your arm starts to hurt. So let's see on here if it says actually how many pounds it is. It says it's got 6 hours of battery life. anti-drop shell, 6.6 feet. And it's a super quiet working noise, which I'm gonna turn it on in a second so you can hear the noise level. I was trying to look for how heavy it is, because I feel like that's like a main thing. I actually don't see it on here. And it's probably, I would say, if I had to guess, I would say it's at least 10 pounds, which is kind of heavy if you're holding it for quite a while. And like I said, if you're doing this to yourself, it can be kind of tiresome with your arm. Now, another con I would have to really talk about is the levels. When you get a massager, which I've had in the past from Sharper Image, the level 1 I don't find is so rough. But this one, and trust me, I give massages to people. I'm pretty rough. I'm a pretty rough chick when it comes to that. I like deep tissue massages. So it's not like I'm this finicky, like, oh, I don't need something. No, it's like, this is like super rough. So once you turn it on, the on and off button is at the bottom, which this is also where you would plug in to charge it. It comes with a charger, wire charger as well. So when you flick it on, you're gonna see the green light at the bottom, and right there, it's gonna show the numbers. 0, 0, meaning you haven't started it yet. And the other side is showing you the percentage of the battery. So it's at 99%. So if I click the plus, it's gonna start off at level 1. Can you hear it? It is pretty quiet, but you can still hear it. Now, even still with that level 1, this is pretty rough. I just didn't expect it to be that rough on level 1. Then when you get to level 2, which you just press the plus sign again just to get a harder massage. I mean, I feel like for an elderly person, this is just too much. This should not, if you're gonna get something for an elderly person for aches and pains, I would say this is not the right way to go, because I just feel like this is way too rough. I feel like for an elderly person, this could make them bruise very easily. I don't find that it is soft at all on level 1 or 2. And if you just keep on going up, it gets even rougher. So to be honest, I don't think that this would be meant for somebody who bruises easily or an elderly person. Other than those things, I really do enjoy my massager. I'm not putting it down by no means. I just want to express to you exactly what you're gonna get and what you should be expecting with this actual device. Now, I gotta say, if somebody was massaging me with this, I would say that it's a pretty great massager. I love the battery life on it. If I only use it for a few minutes every day, it would last me a couple of days, at least a week. I haven't charged this in quite a while, and it's still at 99%. So the battery life is pretty great. It does say that it needs 1 AAA battery, and it does say that it comes included in the packaging. So I wouldn't say that you have to actually go buy the AAA. I'm pretty sure I remember the AAA battery being in the packaging. So I can attest to that it does come with it. And then the little cute bag that it comes with is great for travel, if you're traveling with this as well. The attachment literally just comes out. And to put it in, you just snap it in place. And I just like to press on it just to make sure it's in. But you literally just pull it back out. There's no, twisting and turning. And so that's pretty easy to replace the attachments. And like I said, the volume noise for this is pretty low. You could still hear it. It's not like you can't hear it. You can hear it, but it's just really, really low. And like I said, it's pretty heavy. So don't expect this to be a light one. If you're used to holding heavy things, this might feel light to you. But if you're willing to hold a 10-pound weight and massage yourself, then go for it, because I feel like it's a really great massager. And I do rate it a 9 out of 10, and I'm only doing a 9 out of 10 for the heaviness. So this is a really great buy. I did spend $130 on this. I'm not sure. It's saying as of right now that it is currently out of stock. So I'm not sure if people are waiting to get this back in stock to purchase it. But so it's not showing me a price as of right now. So I'm not sure how much it cost today, but I spent $130 on this. If I wouldn't say that I would spend $130 again, being that I've seen it. I've seen other ones for like $80, and I would say that that's probably a reasonable price. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and I hope that you enjoy this review, and go out, subscribe, like my channel, and like this video.